What's up guys, back with another video. Today we will be washing baby girl over here, and quick, not sponsored by video, but brought to you by Superfacts, my boy out there hustling, doing his thing. I truly admire you, keep on doing the great work. So yeah, we're gonna be washing the car today, and I'm gonna show you guys what things I use here. So I use some of these, but I'll be walking you guys through one by one of what I use, so yeah. And if you see me scratching my hair, it's not because I have headlights, it's because he's got a haircut. So I bought this thing off of Harbor Freight. It's actually like $100, and it works really well. It's 1700 PSI. It's perfect to wash your car here. I mean, it comes with the little gun here. It comes with the little gun here, and also connects to electricity, so if you can do it basically at your house. And then all you need is a hose, and it will connect to the back of this, and yeah, things will get going as soon as that is all plugged in. But it's $100 on Harbor Freight. I'll put it in the description. And yeah, let's move on to what I use. Alright, so Geico says so easy a caveman could do it. So easy my buddy over here can do it.
Yeah, next time maybe do a little research.
Look at this. What is this, boy? Jeez, you got a mop on your head. Anyway, so what do you gotta do? You gotta walk over here. Got the hose connected. Turn on the water. And then what, boy?
Then you turn on the thingamabobber.
What is the thingamabobber?
It's called
The switch. You flip the switch.
I just flip the switch.
And then water her down, bro. So this thing actually has different types of
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
settings here. There we go. Alright, that's fine. Washing soap, I use McGuire. This one right here. Can you zoom in over here? Yeah. Don't know really much about it, but my guy Danny knows all about washing your cars. Really, really good. And he recommended this one. It is streak free, so I mean whatever that means. Streak free when you finish, and yeah, that's it. It works good with your foaming cannons and whatnot. I don't really have one, so I don't use it. I just use it by hand, put it in the water, and we're good to go. Drop one for my dead homies, you know? So first things first, we have to water her down so that when we got soap on there, it can just wash off all the grime. Huge fan of McGuire's stuff. Anything that they have is truly good stuff. This is their ultimate all-wheel cleaner. Pretty cool what chemicals they put in it. It's safe for any kind of wheel. So if you look here, in a little bit it'll turn purple. If you got Brembos like me, you're gonna get a lot of brake dust. And as you can see there, it turns purple, so your brake dust is like really, really shown. And if you let it sit for a couple of minutes and wash it away, it'll clean it pretty good. I waited like 15 minutes, and that's the end product, but check it out once the water hits it. So that's after 15 minutes of waiting, and you just let the McGuire's all-wheel cleaner do its thing on its wheel, and you're done. Another product that I like to use is the Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This one I mainly use just for the tires. It really does help. One of those and a scrub, and you just let it rip, tater chips. Right here. Just scrub her down. Alright, McGuire's products again. The best. Quick wax, shine as you dry. This is really good. It gives it a really good finish. It brings that inner color that's not there when you're driving around. That and a microfiber towel. Just make sure you take off the tag so you don't scratch your paint while you're drying. Fold her up and spray it on there and not on the car. And you get to drying. One more product that I use is Rain-X for the glass. Probably when you dry them off, you still get your little streaks. Same thing. Use the square method and don't apply it on the window, apply it on the microfiber. Let it rip again. Dry it off. Is the interior cleaner. I use this for the cloth on the insides. Sometimes it cleans it off really good, believe it or not. When I got the car, it was really dirty and I used this and it really helped it go away, but same method. Spray it on the microfiber and dry it off. One more McGuire's product that is amazing. McGuire's all around, great company. McGuire's, if you're watching, sponsor me, bro, seriously. Let's get on something. Even though I'm a small channel, let's get on something. The Endurance Tire Spray, it's probably the best, the single best tire shine there is. It lasts like over a week, maybe 2 weeks, and it's super shiny. Really pops off the wheel so much. It's pretty easy to apply. There's this little foam thing that you can buy and just wipe it all around so that it doesn't, you know, splash everywhere. That way when you're driving, it's not water that's going up into your fenders. It's dried off already and better. But yeah, McGuire's, really good company.